In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove picture formatting in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's open a PowerPoint presentation. This is a presentation slide that I have taken as an example. In the slide, you can see that there is an extra border around the picture. Suppose you need to remove this border. To do this, select the picture. In the title bar, click on Picture Format. In the menu bar, click on Reset Picture. Here you can see that the picture is in its original formatting. Following these steps, you can not only reset formatting, but you can reset the picture size also.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.